unlock the power to seamlessly move your Klarna funds straight into your personal bank account. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through exactly how to do it, giving you complete control over your money. First, open your Klarna app and navigate to your main account or funds section. Look for an option that indicates your current balance or available funds. Once you've found your balance, tap on the transfer or withdraw funds option. This is the gateway to moving your money. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be sure to double-check this number next. You'll need to select or add your preferred bank account from the list of linked accounts, or by entering new details if it's your first time. Before finalizing, Klarna will present a confirmation screen. Review all the details, including the amount and the destination bank account, to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, tap Confirm Transfer or a similar button to initiate the transaction. You might be asked to enter your Klarna password or use biometric authentication to authorize the transfer. And that's it. You'll typically see a confirmation message indicating that your transfer is being processed. While the exact time can vary, your funds should arrive in your bank account shortly. Now you know how to easily transfer money from Klarna to your bank account, giving you flexibility and management over your finances. Happy transferring!